Large-scale palm oil refining equipment is being loaded onto trucks. Guess where it's headed next? From a single palm fruit to a job of refined oil, Huatai Group has been dedicated to manufacturing palm fruit oil pricing and palm oil refining equipment for 38 years. What's being loaded is an advanced 100 ton per day palm oil refining and fractionation production line, soon to be shipped to Uganda in Africa. We not only provide high-quality palm fruit oil processing equipment, but also deliver complete core technologies and solutions from source to finished product for global customers. What's being shipped to Uganda is not just a product, but also the reliable promise of Huatai intelligent manufacturing. Choose Huatai means choosing a fully reliable partner from palm fruit to premium palm oil. For high-end green and oil equipment, choose Huatai Group.